Restoring real human touch for America's wounded warriors. Thousands of U.S. veterans return home with limb loss sustained during service to the United States. While modern prosthetic arms and legs offer mechanical mobility, they fail to restore the most essential missing capability: real sensation. Sensobright's mission is to give wounded veterans the ability to return to full human life, not just mobility. Sensobright is enabling the next generation of prosthetic technology by combining two breakthrough capabilities: over-human ability artificial skin, tactile sensing exceeding human performance, neuromodulation, transmitting sensor signals into the brain through human nerves with New Human Technologies, Inc. Together, these technologies create prosthetic limbs that the user can feel as their own natural limb, restoring touch, pressure, texture, and real-time sensory awareness. The user can feel as their own natural limb, returning to everyday moments with confidence and control. This is not a prosthetic upgrade. This is a human restoration platform.